Good afternoon. I'm Sheni Camargo. I'm a student in occupational health, ninth semester, and I'm going to show you some facts about the research I'm carrying out, which is titled Analysis of the main health problems caused by noise in the mine in the Salitre village, Paipa, Boyacá, in the month of May 2023, in which is intended to solve the question what are the main noises in the health of the workers caused by the noise of the mine. Since at present the hearing impairments caused by noise are increasing rapidly. So we wonder the level of noise and its impact on mine workers, and it was decided to carry out an investigation to address this problem, generating a prevention strategy to mitigate the impact of this noise on the health of these workers, carried out with the collaborators of the mine by means of a type of simpler random probability sampling. The collaborators of the coal mines located in the village of Salitre were included in the study and excluded workers from other activities in the village of Salitre or its surroundings in the municipality of Paipa, Boyacá. It worked based on the quantitative method using as a technique the survey structure according to the Likert scale. The procedure has several phases, among which define it. Idea and documentary verification, in which the initial question was made, reviewing the economic environment of Paipa and its main problems. A bibliographic review was made and authorization was requested in the mining cooperative for the realization of this research. Then a statement of the problem and object was made to build the theoretical framework and the state of the art through an extensive bibliography review. To finally concentrate on the research design. We also found some words that are of interest, such as noise, any sound above 65 decibels. Specifically, such noise becomes harmful if it exceeds 75 decibels and painful above 120 decibels. Exposure. Contact with a potentially harmful physical, chemical, or biological agent as a result of a person's work. Health. A state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Mining is an economic activity that extracts and exploits minerals found in the soil and subsoil. Hypoacusis is the decrease in hearing sensitivity. These effects are or both ears and can occur in different types and degrees. Okay, thank you so much.